Welcome back to Keto-Mania. Today we're whipping up a mouth-watering keto salad that's as delicious as it is healthy. It's our keto avocado and bacon salad. This dish is perfect for a quick lunch, a light dinner, or even a festive potluck. It's packed with nutrients and flavor, combining the creaminess of ripe avocado, the crispiness of bacon, and the freshness of mixed greens. Plus, our homemade dressing adds that extra zing to tantalize your taste buds. So let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need: a ripe avocado, some crispy bacon, a handful of mixed greens, a couple of cherry tomatoes, and a delicious homemade dressing. This dressing is a simple yet flavorful blend of olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Each of these ingredients brings its own unique taste and texture to the salad, making it a delightful mix of flavors. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's move on to the preparation. Start by cutting your ripe avocado in half. Carefully twist the two halves apart and remove the pit. Then, using a knife, make vertical and horizontal cuts to create a grid, but be sure not to pierce the skin. Use a spoon to scoop out the diced avocado. It's a quick and easy way to get bite-sized pieces for your salad. And that's it. Your avocado is ready to join the party. With our avocado prepared, let's get that bacon sizzling. Next, let's crisp up our bacon. Lay out the bacon strips on a pan and cook them until they're nice and crispy. You want to start with a cold pan to render out the most fat and ensure maximum crispiness. Once the bacon starts to brown, flip it over to crisp the other side. Keep an eye on it as it can go from perfectly crispy to burnt in a matter of seconds. Once it's done, transfer the bacon to a paper towel-lined plate to drain. Now that our bacon is ready, it's time to assemble our salad. Grab a bowl of mixed greens and add your diced avocado and halved cherry tomatoes. The vibrant colors of the greens, tomatoes, and avocado create a visual feast, not to mention a nutrient-rich one. The creamy avocado contrasts perfectly with the crispness of the greens, and the juicy cherry tomatoes add a touch of sweetness. Now, let's take it up a notch with some crunch. Toss in a handful of your favorite nuts or seeds. They not only add a delightful crunch, but also a healthy dose of protein and healthy fats. Give everything a good but gentle toss to mix all the ingredients. This ensures every bite is an explosion of flavor. Our salad is coming together nicely. Let's add some flavor with our homemade dressing. Just remember, less is more. You want to complement the flavors, not overpower them. So drizzle lightly and toss again to evenly coat all the ingredients. Voila, you've just crafted a simple yet flavorful salad. For that extra flavor, drizzle our homemade dressing over the salad. This dressing is a melody of simple yet potent flavors. Olive oil for a smooth base, freshly squeezed lemon juice for a tangy kick, minced garlic for a pungent touch, and a good sprinkle of salt and pepper to bring it all together. Whisk these ingredients until emulsified and pour evenly over your salad, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. With our salad dressed, it's time to add our crispy bacon. And now, the piece de resistance, our crispy bacon. Sprinkle the bacon bits generously over the salad. The bacon not only adds a crunch to your salad, but also packs a punch with its rich, smoky flavor. Each bite will be a delightful symphony of textures and tastes. You'll have the creaminess of the avocado, the freshness of the greens, the juicy burst from the cherry tomatoes, and now, the irresistible crunch of bacon. Our salad is almost ready, just a final touch to go. To finish it off, a pinch of salt and pepper for that perfect balance of flavors. This simple step elevates the taste, enhancing the natural richness of the avocado and the savory crispness of the bacon. It's the final touch that ties all the components together, creating a symphony of flavors in each bite. A touch of zest, a hint of spice, and a burst of freshness that makes this salad a true delight. And there you have it, our keto avocado and bacon salad is ready. That's fantastic. A creamy, crispy, and keto-friendly salad that's sure to satisfy your taste buds. We've combined the rich, buttery texture of ripe avocado with the savory crunch of crispy bacon, the freshness of mixed greens and cherry tomatoes, all tied together with a homemade dressing that's bursting with zest and flavor. This keto avocado and bacon salad recipe is a testament to how taste and health can go hand in hand. Bon appetit, and see you next time on